Fairmont is a place to go for the arts. We feel Fairmont has a lot to offer. We're lucky to have places like the Opera House, the Red Rock Center, as well as the Fairmont Film Society. I feel that we're bringing arts to southern Minnesota. Hi, my name is Jeff Rouse, one of the founders here at the Fairmont Film Society. Come on in and let's take a look around. The Fairmont Film Society is a combination of a social club, combining with the appearance and the look of the love of film. This is our locker room. We're a bottle club, like in the old days, where everybody had their own locker to keep their bottles and personal possessions in, and you can pick your favorite celebrity to have as your personal locker. This is our screening room where we hold the majority of our main events. We have movie events, from dinner to movie and dessert nights. We do show some films, but we're more than films. We have a lot of other activities at the same time. In the summertime, the Flamingo Lounge has turned out to be a very popular place to listen to music. We have a concert series that brings in folk, jazz, and blues on a monthly basis. We also offer private clubs. These are clubs that you can start yourself. Book clubs, spiritual clubs, card clubs. Another club that has started that has been extremely popular is the Belly Dancing Club. And there's been over 200 women that have started taking classes here at the Film Society in the last year. If you're a visitor to the community, you can attend an event at no cost.